Welcome back to Sailing Wicked. We're in Salinas, Puerto Rico, getting settled into our new neighborhood. It's kinda cool to have all the familiarities of home on Wicked and step outside to an entirely new world.
Not every day is filled with unforgettable adventure. Sometimes you gotta handle the mundane task. But first, we need some of Maddie's Cuban coffee. Had our morning coffee and breakfast, and we're out of something, so we're going to walk into town and get some groceries. It's nice and cloudy and cool out, relatively cool, so it's a perfect day to go do that. So we're going to get ready now and go. Whenever we want to go on land, we bring our dinghy over to Marina de Salinas. They have a temporary dinghy dock that they allow all the cruisers in the anchorage to park their dinghy. It's a pretty short walk to get into town. About 5 minutes to the nearest bakery, 15 minutes to the town square, and 20 minutes to the grocery store. It's not the most scenic walk, but it's nice to get off the boat and stretch your legs. And if walking around's not your thing, Puerto Rico has Uber and Uber Eats, and there's a Walmart 7 miles away. Now you gotta do that on a moving boat.
Yeah, right.
I believe in you.
While moving and rocking. I don't know how to do it.
We've reached our destination, Econo, the grocery store here in Salinas. It's pretty well stocked and has every fruit, vegetable, herb you could dream of. I'm a Caribbean girly, so living in California for the past few years has been rough as far as finding foods I grew up on. Our grocery haul is over, and now it's time to head back to Wicked. We're back from our walk to the grocery store. We're all stocked up. We wanted to do it today because it was pretty overcast, even though it was still hot. The sun wasn't blazing on us. We went to a grocery store by the name of Econo. It's pretty well stocked, pretty good prices, definitely compared to the Virgin Islands. And it's about 2 miles from from the marina. We have a little cart, so it makes it a little bit easier. We don't have to carry everything on our back. It took us, maybe it was like a 20-minute walk. 20-minute walk there, 20 back. Yeah, it was a good walk, good to get off the boat. So now we're gonna put everything away and then start on our other boat projects. And any sailors out there who have a top-loading fridge, any tips? Because this fridge looks like a raccoon on meth. Put away groceries. And we haven't even put away groceries yet. So I've tried bins, and the problem is when you need the bin on the bottom, you need to take everything out, and then the things that aren't in the bins rest on the other bins. So you have to take the things that aren't in the bins that rest on the bins out to take the bins out to get the bin on the bottom. So tips, please. We don't have a microwave on board, so we were reheating our chuletas, and I guess there's so much fat in the chuletas that it caught fire. And we didn't know it caught fire, so by the time we opened up the grill, we basically had a lump of charcoal, and it turned our magma grill gold. Gold grill might be your thing, but it's not our thing. We want it all to be stainless, and to be honest, it cleaned up really well. Maddie and I were super impressed, and when we first got this grill, I was like, man, this thing's so shiny. How are we gonna keep it shiny? It's gonna sit outside. But honestly, magma grills, really easy to maintain.
Easy for you to maintain.
Yeah, I do the cacking.
The cacking, and we do the cooking.
I do the cooking. Maddie does the
Cacking.
dishes and the dishes and the maintaining. There's so many manatees. Well, I don't know if there's a lot of manatees, but we see a manatee or two almost every day. And as slow as they are, I am failing to get them on camera. So as soon as you pull out the camera, they're underwater again, and you don't know where they're popping up. One just literally went under our boat and came up on the starboard side.
Not even a foot away.
Not even a foot away from the boat, yeah. And honestly, I don't even know how I'm gonna get him on camera. Because they're slow, but they're quick. He's so... you see? Like...
It was definitely...
Yeah, so that was two. Okay, hold on. You can kind of see like the trail where he was right there. Oh, there, wait, I hear him. Look, there's... That's the best I got for you guys. And that's a full day aboard Wicked at Anchor with Matty and Brit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know if you want to see more stuff like this. Many of our days are filled with tasks, boat jobs, and just regular day-to-day life, with its challenges, of course. Doesn't mean the adventures are done yet. There's a little island out there, I don't know if you can see it, called Caja de Muertos that we're planning on going to very soon. I think we're gonna go tomorrow. And of course, we'll bring you along for the ride. Until next time, bye.